Hi children, we will practice one more problem for cash book with two column. Okay.
Yes, sir.
A transaction. First May 2020. Started business with the cash. $80,000. Started. Are you seeing?
Yes, sir.
We will keep on writing the answer also, so that it will be easy for you. Cash book in brackets, two column. One bank column, one cash column. Cash first, bank second. Cash, bank. This debit side, credit side. Okay. So imagine the journal entry. No need of any journal entry. You are in advanced stage. So what will be journal entry for this? How it will appear in cash book?
Cash account.
Cash account debit to
Capital account.
yes. How it will appear in cash book? You or by?
Sir, in the cash account to capital, sir.
Yes, correct. 80,000. That's all. Capital account we are not writing. We are learning how to write cash account only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next. 10th August 2020. Purchased goods. Purchased goods. Rupees 20,000. So what will be journal entry? Simply purchased goods means purchased goods for
account debit to cash.
purchase account debit to
Cash account.
purchase account debit to cash account. How the entry will appear in cash book?
Sir, in the cash account, buy purchase rupees 20,000.
Which column? Cash column or bank column?
Credit column, sir. In the cash column, sir.
Correct.
Sir, date 1 second, sir.
Okay, I will tell you. 15th September 1509. 15th September. Opened bank account. What does it mean? Opened bank account. We went to bank and deposited cash for opening an account. So what will be journal entry? The same matter will be appearing in different ways. You should be familiar with all these types of expressions. Okay. Opened bank account.
So bank account debit to cash account.
Yes, bank account debit to cash account. Now, it is a contra entry. It is appearing on both sides, isn't it? Contra entry. Okay, how it will appear in cash book?
Then the cash from debit side to cash account, sir. The credit side by bank account, sir. Rupees 40,000.
In bank account, we will write to cash, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
In bank account, we will write to cash account. 40,000. And in cash account, we will write by bank. In cash account, we will write by bank. By bank.
Bank. By bank account.
In cash account, we will write cash account here. Okay, here we will write. Are you seeing? This is a cash account, this is a bank account.
Yes, sir.
Cash account, we will write by bank. I already wrote by bank, just write the amount. When you are writing something on the credit side, be alert. You have enough cash or not. Look at here. Number 4. First October 2020. Sold goods and received check. Let it be a variety. Sold goods and received check. No. Sold goods and the customer deposited into bank. Somewhat indirect. Are you understanding this transaction?
Yes, sir.
What's the meaning of this? Sold goods and the customer
Sir, he sold
deposited.
the goods.
Tell me. He sold the goods, sir.
Sir, the customer sold goods, sir. And the money he bought from that, he deposited into the bank, sir.
We sold goods. Customer didn't sell the goods. We sold goods. We means business. We sold goods to the customer, and the customer, instead of giving money into our hand, deposited into our bank account. That's the meaning. But that kind of lengthy sentence will not be there in the question paper. In the question paper, they will say like this only. We should be able to understand. In brief way only, they will express in the question paper. Sold goods and the customer deposited into bank. It's a lengthy sentence. They compress it. They are compressing like this. Okay, we are selling goods to the customer and the customer is depositing the money into the bank instead of giving into our hand. That's the meaning. Okay, wow.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so what will be the simple, very simple only. What will be the journal entry? You can note down the journal entry in a brief way so that you will get the correct posting. You know how to express journal entry in the brief way. We are not writing DRK, CR, nothing. Simply the one alphabet only. I told you how to write journal entry briefly for this, for our purpose, to get the correct answer. Quickly way. First, how you will write? So when the customer is depositing money
Sir,
into
write the
bank
debit
account,
side.
bank balance is increasing or decreasing?
Increase.
Yes. When asset is increasing, bank the asset account will be
Increased.
yes. When asset is increasing, asset account will be debit or credited.
Debited.
So bank account will be debited. We can write B for bank like this. Then this increase in bank account is because of what? Because of sales. Sales is revenue receipts.
Sales.
The increase in revenue receipts is to be debit or credited. Increase in revenue receipt.
Credited.
Once again. Increase in revenue
Credited,
receipt.
sir.
Increase in revenue receipts will be credited. So what's the journal entry? Bank account debit to sales.
Bank account debit to sales account.
So that idea you should have, otherwise answer will be collapsed. Before you do something, whatever work in your
All
life,
gains is to be credited.
yes, whatever work we are doing in our life, plan it first, do it second. Otherwise, there is chance that things will be collapsed. How to do? You should imagine, at least we should imagine. If there is no time to write, at least we should imagine. So by seeing this, what we have to do in this account, the combined account of cash and bank accounts.
Sir, in the debit, the bank side to sales account, rupees 35,000. Sir, amount you didn't give, sir.
35,000
35,000, sir.
to sales. In the cash column or bank column? Where you will write? Cash or bank?
In the bank column, sir.
Yes. They read the transaction very, very carefully. Please don't jump into an answer without reading properly. Be careful. Or especially in CBSE. கொஞ்சம் tough-ஆ இருக்கும். Concept will be very easy, but they will present in a tough way. Be careful. Okay, children?
Yes, sir.
So more practice
sir.
is compulsory. More practice is compulsory. In class, we cannot do more practice, but in your leisure time, you should practice more. Then 10th December 20, paid rent by check. Rupees 1 lakh. Paid rent rupees. Paid rent by check rupees 1 lakh.
Sir, rent account debit to bank account.
Okay. Current account debit to bank account. We can express like this for our knowledge. How it will appear in cash book with group column?
Send the credit side. We have to write by rent account in the bank side, sir. Rupees 1 lakh.
Yes. So this is enough. So we have to balance. Madheshwari, can you tell me how to balance this account? So I'll be asking some student. So I'm expecting answer from that student. Mark the attendance. Then only I can understand that they are in the class. Madheshwari, can you tell me how to balance this? Madheshwari is not in the class. Vishwa? Only coach is there. Brinda?
Sir,
Namrida? Indu?
I can say, sir.
Okay. Sindhu, you are not showing the class work in the class. What happened?
Sir,
Actually,
there's
only
a problem in camera, sir.
what happened to camera?
Sir, if I open the camera, it only shows black color, sir. It is not a image of that is not appearing, sir.
Are you sending the image of your classwork?
Sir, yes, sir. Later on, I will send you, sir.
And nowadays, I am not receiving the image also from you. Only Kavishri and Neha is sending the image. Sometimes Madhusri also. But if you can show in the class, that is enough. No need to send. You are not showing, you have to send. There will be internal mark for that. Only 4 students in the class. And even at least one boy is also not there. We have many boys. Even a single boy is not in the class. Only name. Okay, Indu will be showing how to balance this. Step number 1. Step number 1. Write the data total on both sides after leaving one line like this. Think about cash account first. Think about the bank account later.
60,000, sir.
60,000, sir.
Okay, John sir want to say something. Yes, children, Indu will be saying how to post this, how to balance this. Are you hearing me?
Yes,
Yes.
yes, sir.
Step 1, after leaving one line,
60,000 of both,
writing the greater amount on both sides.
writing the greater. Yes, sir. 60,000 on both, sir.
Okay. Start with the cash. Cash debit, cash credit. Which is greater?
Debit, sir.
Okay. How much is amount?
80,000.
So we will write 80,000 on both sides. Step number. Step 1 over. What is next step?
So we want to deduct the 60,000, sir, from 80,000.
How much?
Then the buy balance is 20,000.
Step 2 over. Buy balance carried on 20,000. This step 3.
So for bank, we want to see the greater number, greater
No, no,
amount, sir.
bank
That is
later.
75,000.
Bank later. First we finish cash. Don't touch bank now. You will confuse. Finish cash account first. After this, what we have to do? By balance carried on 20,000. What is the next step, Kavishri?
And then buy balance brought down, sir.
By balance brought down. By balance brought down. When you are writing something on the debit, what is the prefix? By a to a.
Sir, 2, sir.
Okay. Where we will write inside the account
2
or
balance.
outside the account? Below total or above total? Above total
Sir,
or below?
below.
Yes, below total. The balance brought down. 20,000.
I have completed this balance, sir.
Okay. Bindu will be continuing. How to balance bank account? Bindu, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Bindu or Indu? Bindu. Okay. So cash over. Now we think about bank. Step 1. What is step 1?
Writing the greater amount on both the sides.
Okay. Tell me which is the greater amount? Okay, Indu, how much is the greater amount?
One lakh.
1 lakh. So we will write 1 lakh on both sides, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next step.
Sir, deducting 1 lakh from 75,000, sir. So
Deducting,
25,000 we want to write.
you are deducting 1 lakh from 75,000. Think once again. How it is
Sir,
possible?
no, sir.
Once again.
Sir, from 1 lakh we want to deduct 75, sir. 75,000.
Deducting 75,000 from 1 lakh. We should say like that, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
How much we are getting?
25,000.
Okay. Where we will write?
Sir, in debit side.
Okay. 25,000. Against this, what we will write, Bindu? We have to write something, right?
Sir,
Against 25,000, we have to write something. What we have to write here? 2. We are right here. To balance. Carried on. What's the next step? By balance brought down. Say what we notice, cash account is having which balance? Debit balance or credit balance? Cash account is having
debit
debit balance.
balance.
Eh? Cash
Debit
account is having.
balance, sir.
Is the word
Debit
brought
balance,
down.
sir.
The word brought down, balance brought down is appearing on which side? That's all. That account is having that balance. Here in cash, the cash account is having debit side, bank account is having, cash account is having debit balance, bank account is having
Credit balance.
okay. Can you show your notebook? Children, after showing the notebook, we can leave.
Yes, sir. Sir, are you saying that?
Is that okay? Page. Okay.
Sir,
So fine. Next student, please.
this is morning.
You can leave. Next student, please.
Sir. Sir, I will show you.
Okay. Next page. Okay, fine. You can leave the class. Next student. So only two students are showing the notebook. Right. They send the image. Bye, children.
Thank you, sir.